We often get asked this question, why should I hire you? And it really comes down to this, what type of business are you in? The reason I ask is because as a business owner, you can spend a lot of time trying to stay in compliance along with the other 1,000 things you need to do in your business. But let's face it, you grow your business by being proactive rather than reactive. In short, building your business rather than becoming an expert in human resources. Henry Ford once said that he doesn't need to know everything because in 5 minutes he could find someone who already knows it. HR is complex, and if you are smart, you will focus on your highest income producing activities instead of trying to constantly keep up with and implementing your own HR policies. And the simple fact is that if you don't hire us, it will cost you so much more in time lost and missed execution of HR policies that you will probably miss the mark anyway. Call us today so we can point you in the right direction before it's too late.